Time management tips for the IELTS exam. Time management is crucial in the IELTS exam. Without effective time management, even well-prepared candidates may struggle to complete all sections, leading to missed opportunities to score higher. Firstly, let's look at the importance of time management. Importance of time management in the IELTS exam. Maximizing scores. Effective time management allows candidates to allocate appropriate time to each section, maximizing the chances of answering all questions accurately. This ensures that no section is neglected, potentially boosting the overall score. Reducing stress and anxiety. Proper time management reduces exam-related stress. Knowing you have a plan and the ability to follow it helps maintain composure, which is crucial for clear thinking and effective problem solving during the test. Ensuring completion. The IELTS exam is timed strictly, and each section has a set duration. Good time management ensures that candidates can complete all sections within the allotted time, avoiding rushed or incomplete answers. Improving answer quality. When candidates manage their time well, they can devote sufficient time to each question, leading to more thoughtful and accurate responses. This is especially important in the writing and speaking sections, where quality and coherence matter significantly. Avoiding penalties for incomplete sections. Leaving sections incomplete due to poor time management can result in significant loss of marks. For example, not finishing the reading section means missing out on potential points, which can impact the overall band score. Allowing time for review. Good time management includes allocating a few minutes at the end of each section to review answers. This can help identify and correct mistakes, further improving the final score. Building confidence. Successfully managing time during practice tests builds confidence. Knowing you can handle the exam within the time limits boosts self-assurance, leading to a better performance on the actual test day. Facilitating better focus. Having a clear time management strategy helps maintain focus and prevent wasting time on any single question. This allows for a more balanced approach, ensuring that each part of the exam receives the attention it needs. Now let's look at strategies to help you manage your time efficiently across the 4 sections of the IELTS exam. Listening section. The listening section lasts 30 minutes and consists of 40 questions, divided into 4 parts. Strategy number 1. Familiarize yourself with the format. Understand the structure of the listening test, including the types of questions asked. Understand the test structure. The listening test lasts for 30 minutes, plus 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. It consists of 4 sections, each with 10 questions, making a total of 40 questions. The sections include conversations and monologues in different contexts, such as everyday social situations and academic settings. Study the question types. Familiarize yourself with the various types of questions, such as multiple choice, matching, plan, map or diagram labeling, form, note or table, flowchart, summary completion, and sentence completion. Review examples of each question type to understand what is expected. Listen to sample recordings. Access official IELTS practice materials or other reputable sources to listen to sample recordings. Pay attention to the accents and speech patterns used, as the test includes speakers with different English accents, example British, Australian, or American. Practice with past papers. Use past IELTS listening test papers to practice under exam conditions. This helps you get used to the pace and timing of the test. Understand instructions. Carefully read and understand the instructions for each section and question type. Practice following the instructions accurately to avoid losing marks due to misunderstandings. This familiarity helps you focus on on answering questions rather than figuring out instructions during the test. Strategy number 2. Practice active listening. Instead of trying to understand every single word, focus on keywords and phrases relevant to the questions. This helps you catch the necessary information more quickly. Strategy number 3. Move on quickly if you miss an answer. If you miss a question, don't dwell on it. Mark your best guess and move on to ensure you don't miss subsequent questions, which might be easier. Reading section. The reading section is 60 minutes long with 40 questions spread over 3 passages. Strategy number 1. Skim and scan. Skim the passage to get a general understanding of the content and the structure. Then, scan for specific information needed to answer the questions. This method saves time compared to reading every word. Strategy number 2. Tackle easier questions first. By answering the questions you find easiest first, you can secure those points quickly and build confidence before tackling the more challenging questions. Strategy number 3. Allocate time per passage. Aim to spend around 20 minutes on each passage and its questions. This ensures you have a balanced approach and don't spend too much time on one passage, leaving insufficient time for others. Writing section. The writing section is 60 minutes long, 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. Strategy number 1. Plan your essay. Spend the first 3 to 5 minutes planning each task. For task 1, outline the main features you will describe. For task 2, draft a quick outline with your thesis statement, main points, and conclusion. A good plan leads to a coherent and structured response. Strategy number 2. Stick to the time limits. Task 2 carries more weight, so ensure you allocate the appropriate time. Don't spend more than 20 minutes on task 1, even if you haven't finished, to allow sufficient time for task 2. Strategy number 3. Review your work. Reserve the last 3 to 5 minutes of each task to review your writing. Check for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and ensure your arguments are clear and coherent. Speaking section. The speaking section lasts 11 to 14 minutes, divided into 3 parts: an introduction and interview, a long turn, and a discussion. Strategy number 1. Practice speaking on a variety of topics. This will help build your fluency and confidence. Being comfortable with the wide range of topics allows you to think and speak more quickly during the test. Strategy number 2. Answer the question directly and expand. Provide direct answers and then add details and examples to expand your response. This shows your ability to develop ideas and use language effectively. Strategy number 3. Manage your nerves. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing to stay calm. Staying composed helps you think clearly and manage your speaking time effectively. General tips. Strategy number 1. Take practice tests under timed conditions. Simulating the test environment helps you get used to the pressure and improves your ability to manage time during the actual exam. Strategy number 2. Use official IELTS materials. These materials accurately reflect the format and difficulty of the test, making your practice more effective. Strategy number 3. Stay calm and focused. Stress can hinder your ability to manage time. Practice relaxation techniques to maintain composure and think clearly during the test. In summary, effective time management involves familiarizing yourself with the test format, practicing under timed conditions, and employing specific strategies for each section. Implement these tips in your preparation to enhance your time management skills. Remember, managing your time well can lead to a more efficient and confident test performance, ultimately improving your overall score. By adopting these strategies, you will be better prepared to handle the time constraints of the IELTS exam, ensuring you complete all sections efficiently and effectively. I hope that helps. Happy learning.
Needus Academy, India's #1 language academy.